What comes to your mind when you think of South Indian food? Let me guess. Idli, dosa, rice, rasam, and sambar, isn't it? Well, these dishes are an integral part of their diet. And today we are going to show you how to make an authentic South Indian sambar. This sambar recipe happens to be a requested video by one of our subscribers who is also a friend of my husband and has tasted this very sambar made by my husband during their bachelor days. Sambar is a super healthy and protein rich food full of vegetables, spices, and herbs. So, without any further delay, let's get started. In a bowl, take half cup of Toor Dal or yellow lentil and wash it thoroughly. Now transfer this washed dal into a pressure cooker and add 1.5 cups of water to it and pressure cook it till 3 whistles. In another bowl, take a small lemon sized tamarind ball and wash it thoroughly. Then add some water to it and set it aside. Take a kadhai or a thick bottom pan. Add 1.5 glass of water to it and turn on the flame. To that, add 1 cup of chopped carrots, 1 cup of chopped bottle gourd, some chopped radish. Cover it with a lid and let it cook for 5 minutes. After those veggies are slightly cooked, add 1 cup of chopped ladyfingers. These are slightly 1 inch long. Then some sambar onions, some chopped drumsticks, and 1/4 teaspoon of pink Himalayan salt. Give it a stir, cover it with lid, and cook it for another 5 minutes. Meanwhile, let's check our dal in the pressure cooker. This looks well cooked. So now, mash it with the help of a ladle. Let's have a look at our veggies. They look half cooked, and that is how we want our veggies in sambar. Now add 1 cup of chopped tomatoes, 4 vertically slit green chillies. Now, there's a reason why these chilies are slit this way. The first one is that this way the spiciness of the chili can completely infuse into the sambar. And second is that in this way it can easily be spotted and removed. Actually, no South Indian meal is complete without curd rice. So these long slit green chilies, which are nicely cooked in sambar, are eaten along with the curd rice. Add mashed dal to the veggies as well as some water to it and stir it well. You must be wondering why to boil few veggies first and add other veggies later. Well, carrots, bottle gourd, and radish need more time to cook than ladyfinger, drumstick, and onions. And if you add tomato too early to it, then it will take much longer time for the veggies to cook. Dal with veggies has been cooking for 5 minutes now. At this point, add tamarind pulp. Also add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of crystal salt, and don't forget to add jaggery. It is added to balance the tanginess and acidity of tamarind and tomatoes. I forgot to mention that for best taste, this whole recipe is to be cooked on either low or medium flame. Add 2 tablespoons of sambar powder, using achi sambar powder here, and mix it well. Check the consistency and add water if needed. Then boil it on low flame for another 10 minutes. While sambar is boiling, let's prepare the tempering. For that, place a small pan on stove and add some oil in it. Then add a small teaspoon of urad dal, methi or fenugreek seeds, jeera or cumin seeds, mustard seeds, a pinch of hing, 2 dried red chillies, some 10 to 15 fresh curry leaves, 5 to 6 garlic pods, and then pour this in sambar. Adding tempering to sambar or any dals at last adds more flavor to the dish rather than the other way round. Garnish it with lots of coriander leaves. Oh, my kitchen is now filled with this mouth-watering aroma. I just want to have it. Check the consistency of sambar and then switch off the stove. Cover this wholesome food with lid for 10 to 15 minutes before serving. Our sambar is now ready. It is best served with rice. If you enjoyed watching this video, then please do share, like, and subscribe to my channel. Please do subscribe. Thank you.